Morning, supervisor. I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to bring something important to your attention. Recently, the technical workstation in our department have become overloaded with this equipment, and it's starting to feel a bit cramped. We worry that it's affecting both our productivity and safety.
Good morning, employee. I'm glad you brought this up. I understand how crucial it is to maintain a safe and efficient working environment. Could you give me more detail on what specific issue you are facing?
Of course, one of the main concerns is faulty wiring and some loose electrical connection. We have noticed that it's causing short circuit now, and that's dangerous, especially since we work with equipment that requires constant power.
Thank you for pointing that out. Short circuit are definitely a serious safety issue. I appreciate your attention to this. I will have the maintenance team come in right away to fix those faulty wires. In the meantime, I had like to understand the full scope of the situation. Are there other related concerns that you have noticed?
Yes, there are another problem I wanted to mention. The wire are all messy and loosely arranged. It's causing the workstation to become more cluttered than they need to be. And this is making it hard for us to move around safely. There are also a risk of tangling or accidentally pulling on cables, which should create even more dangerous situations.
I see. I can understand how disorganized wiring would add to the safety risk. It's important that we keep the space tidy and manageable for everyone. We we don't want anyone tripping over cable or worse, causing a more serious issue. I will make a priority to have the wiring cleaned up and rearranged properly, ensuring everything is secure, tidy, and clearly organized.
Thank you, supervisor. Another thing is that the excessive equipment on the workstation is reducing the space we have to move. Some workstations are overloaded, which make it difficult to access tools quickly or move around the area. We are sometimes working in cramped space, which add to the stress.
I completely understand. Cramped workspace not only reduce efficiency, but they also increase the risk of accidents. I will review the layout of the workstation and see how we can optimize the space. Maybe we can remove some un- unnecessary equipment or even rearrange the station to give you more room to work comfortably.
That would be really helpful, supervisor. Will we feel that having more space and more organized setup will definitely improve our overall efficiency and make the workplace safer for everyone.
I completely agree, and I'm glad you raised this concern. We will start by addressing the wiring issues immediately, and I will personally check that the maintenance team handle everything promptly. As for the workstation, I will also set up a meeting with the team to review the layout and discuss how we can recognize it.
Another issue we have noticed is that some of the equipment, like the power strip and chargers, are old and not functioning properly. There have been a few instances where they stopped working altogether. which made up really on backup equipment. I think it would be a good idea to assess and replace any outdated equipment to avoid further problems.
That's a great point. Old or faulty equipment can really lead to disruption in the workflow and even more safety hazard. I will include that in the review as well. I will make sure the faulty equipment is replaced and ensure that we have a backup plan in the place for critical tools.
Thank you, Supervisor. It's reassuring to know you are addressing all of this concern. We just want to make sure we are working in a safe and efficient environment so that we can do our best work.
I truly appreciate your dedication to safety and your willingness to bring this issue to light. It's important that we keep a balance between a productive environment and one that's safe for everyone. I will keep you updated on the process as we go. If there's anything else you notice or if new issue come up, please don't hesitate to bring them to my attention.
Thank you again, Supervisor. We really appreciate your support and quick action. We will keep you posted if we notice anything else. But I feel much better knowing that steps are being taken to resolve the issue.
You are very welcome. Let's work together to ensure this workplace is the best it can be. Thanks again for bringing this concern to me, and I will see to it that we address them as soon as possible. Thank you.